Hello all, in this session we see about how to create an EC2 instance in AWS. Instance is a virtual server for running application. EC2 is Elastic Compute Cloud. It provides scalable computing capacity and we can develop and deploy application faster. First we need to create an AWS account. After that we need to create an EC2 instance. There are 7 steps. First choosing an AMA and choosing an instance type. After that configuring instance and adding storage and tags and configuring security groups. First we need to install Putty. Putty is used for connecting Windows system to Linux system. Let's see. First type AWS account. Go to that Amazon Web Service. If in order to create a new account, go to create a new account. It asks some payment details and give it to create a new account. If you are already have an account, go to sign up into the console. You go to AWS management console. In this, go to service go to EC2. In this EC2 dashboard, launch instance, click on the launch instance and choosing an AMI, select Ubuntu 18.4, select that. After keep as it is and click next, configure and click add tags and give any name for the tag. Then click next to configure security groups, add HTTP and HTTPS and change the custom file to anywhere. Then click review and launch. You can edit that. Then go to launch. We need to create a key pair. Download the key pair file. We need to install Putty. Putty convert the .pm file into .ppk file. Then press launch. After we go to click view instance and type any name and save that instance for easier identification. Then click connect. In this, copy the IP and paste it in Google. Now the page is not ready. First go to Putty and select that key pair file. The key pair file is .pm format. We can convert into .ppk and save that file. Putty is used to convert the .pm file into .ppk file. Save that file. After save that, copy the public DNS and paste it in the host name and go to SSH. In SSH authentication, browse that modified key pair.ppk file and open that file. After open that, enter Ubuntu, then enter the command sudo apt update and sudo apt install Apache 2. Sudo is a root server. It install all the packages of Apache 2. After install, now the default page will be ready. Then type the command sudo ufw app list and sudo ufw allow Apache secure and sudo ufw allow Apache full. Type the commands. And also sudo ufw allow open SSH. In order to edit the default web page, type the command sudo var www.index.html. After type the command, we edit that default web page. Of the, we can edit that. Press I for edit. After edit that file, press escape. And press semicolon WQ. After edit that file, now go to the after editing, now go to the default page. It works.